Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing 2021 and beyond the future of robotic process automation or RPA. RPA is a smaller amount concerning actual robots play-acting human tasks and additionally concerning the automation of monotonous and repetitive activities within the interest of improved effectiveness and potency. With RPA, the main focus is invariably on managing tasks, activities, duties generally performed by humans. In distinction to different ancient IT choices, RPA permits organizations to change at a fraction of the value and time. RPA is additionally restrained in nature and grabs the present infrastructure while not inflicting disruption to underlying system, which might be exhausting and expensive to interchange. Well, how will robotic process automation work? RPA robots are capable of mimicking nearly every human user's action. They log into applications, move files and folders, copy-paste knowledge, fill in the forms, extract knowledge from the documents, scrap the browsers, and therefore the list goes on. Well, let us now discuss the business edges of RPA. Robots are here to stay. The faster you harvest their potential, the faster you turn out on the competitive edge for your business. RPA delivers direct gain, whereas rising accuracy across organizations and industries facultative RPA to handle any processes will not only work on and counter your organization's advancement, but it will also leave superior quality and flexibility at intervals. The enterprise doubled by fast, tailored response to specific needs. Computer code package robots are easy to educate, which they integrate seamlessly into any system. Multiply them and instantly deploy extra as you go. Now let's discuss the benefits of RPA. RPA provides better accuracy. RPA computer code robots are programmed to follow rules. They never get tired and they never build mistakes. They are compliant and consistent. The second benefit is that they have improved compliance. Once tutored, RPA robots execute faithfully, reducing risk. Everything they are doing is monitored. You have got the complete management to control in accordance with the existing laws and standard. The next benefit being fast price saving. RPA will cut back processes prices by up to 18 times. In 12 months, most enterprises have already got a positive comeback on investment and potential additional accumulative price reduction will reach 200 in time. The next benefit is that it is super extendable. Across businesses, units and geographies, RPA performs a colossal quantity of operations in parallel from desktop to cloud environments. Extra robots are deployed quickly with stripped down prices, in keeping with workflows and seasonality. The last but not the least benefit of the RPA is that it has increased speed and productivity. Employees at the primary to understand the advantage of RPA because it removes non-value add activities and relieves them from rising the pressure of labor. Now, what we can conclude from this video is that RPA is the future of operation culture for companies in each and every trade domain across the world. RPA is here to remain and can drive the digital workforce for the businesses. We hope that you learned something new from this video. Please make sure that you like the video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. See you in the next video.